Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the update on EOS. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that the price of EOS broke out the resistance of the channel, and after a very nice rally, it was rejected by the long-term resistance of $1.35. And this was my last video that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. Now, if you take a look at the live chart, this is by the way 7 days time frame chart, and here you can see that after this breakout from the smaller down channel, it's rejected by the resistance and by the way, this resistance was at $31.35. That was previously breaking at the resistance here. And for several weeks, it had been breaking at the resistance here. And now again, it is breaking at a strong resistance. And despite this long spike, price and could not break it down. And now we are testing this long-term support zone. That starts from 91.5 cents and goes to 80 cents. That had been previously breaking as support here, support here, support here. And after the breakdown here for several months, it had been breaking at the resistance and here as a support. Now again, it is breaking as a support. And here for a few weeks, it has been breaking other resistance as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very, very huge breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. I would also like to share with you this trade signal that I shared on 1st of December 2024 with my members, and this signal has so far produced almost 70% pump. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with my this trade signal that I shared on 1st of December 2024 in the previous month of December 2024. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartler pattern that EOS formed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade signal. Buying on, sell targets on, and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price then started a very, very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. This was almost 70% pump only on this 2-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch each other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now, let's move to the live chart of EOS coin. And first of all, let me just show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several weeks, a month, it has been moving inside this channel. We had a bounce here, rejection, rejection. Then we had a bounce, so many rejections here, bounce, almost had another rejection, bounce, rejection. And finally, after this rejection, price line broke out the resistance. And after the breakout, we tested this long-term support once again. That was also the recent swing low point before the breakout from the channel at 40 cents. That is by the way quite long-term support. And after the breakout, the price then imminently also broke out this long-term resistance zone as well. That starts from 55 cents and goes to 60 cents. And now it is rejected by this long-term resistance of $1.35. By the way, this was also the target for the breakout from this channel as well, the technical target that was here at the top of the channel. And we are rejected by this level. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $1.35 has been previously breaking as a very strong resistance here and resistance here. Therefore, again, it is breaking as a very strong resistance. And right now we are testing this long-term support zone. That starts from 91.5 cents and goes to 80 cents. That was previously breaking as support zone here, resistance, resistance, and resistance here. And now it is again breaking as support. For example, if we will break it down, then it can drop down to the next long-term support zone. That starts from 60 cents and goes to 55 cents. That was previously working as a resistance line here for several months. And here as a support, and here as a support as well. And here it was also working as support. Now we have already hit the target for the breakout from this channel, but still a very big move due. That is the target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. And that target can be here at the top of this wedge. That is approximately at $10. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.